Alright guys, today is January 6th and man, we cannot take a break. We are in a losing streak. We are in a losing drought, man. Like honestly, I have not been confident with my trading. And I'm gonna do a trade recap on what I did today. So, coming to the day. I just to get it out of my conscience. I did lose my account. I lost my eval. You know, yesterday I got the fresh one. Today I lost another eval, and it's getting really hard, man. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. Um, just everything, like I've been taking more trades than ever. I've been um, just not following setups like properly, like 100%. I'm just kind of pressing buy and sell, and I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. And this is how I feel. So yeah, I just wanted to get that off the way. So yesterday, lost two two fundeds, bought a new EVA, lost 1,000 yesterday, lost 1,000 today. So we blew the account. Okay, so I got that off my head. Okay, so what did I take today? Why did I take an L? So before New York Open, we had these London lows. Asia lows has been taken. We have London highs, and then we have this hourly high. Right. Let me take ES out for now. Right. That's also a 4-hour high, and so yeah. I don't know why TradingView does that, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I did. Right. Go 1 minute. Boom, boom, boom. So New York Open, what did we do? For me, I was more bullish than bearish, but yeah, that's just my daily bias. So yeah, New York Opens, we displays higher already. Um, if you took a pre-market long, you would have banged out, but I did not. For a continuation model, I did not take that because market just opened. I thought, hey, let's just wait, and boom. So from here, we still had targets higher. I knew that, and I should have been patient and um, seen this 5 minute. You know, this is hindsight now, but there was a 5 minute there that was being created. So we swept the London highs. So I'm expecting, hey, we might go short. I believe we had an SMT, right? London has not been taken from ES, so we had that high still. Though New York NQ already has taken it, so I thought, hey, let's go for a short. Right? I wait for this 1 minute for a inverse. Right here. Took the short here. Stops was all the way up here, and I was just targeting these equal lows and possibly, you know, extend to our hourly low because this is still low resistance liquidity. And so boom, took that trade. I should have went break even, but I didn't because we were still in. The reason why I should have, sorry, is that I went break even here because we swept this low. Right, I should have went break even. Plus, we're in a 5 minute gap, so it would make sense for me to go break even there, right? And so boom, took the L. I think that was a $500 loss. So I was like, okay, maybe the trade. I realized this now, even when I was trading. This is hindsight right now, but I realized this also while I was trading. You know, yes, we took the. This is something I learned today. Okay, so maybe you guys can learn it too. So we took this hourly high and the London high, and we still had targets up high. So what I could have done was make this 5 minute as my condition to see, hey, if we disrespect it, then yes, we are gonna move closer, but we respected it, and I should have waited to take the trade when we're in this gap. This was my condition. So if we do respect it, we're gonna go higher. And so um, during, this is hindsight, but during on the live markets, it really looked like it wanted to go lower. You know, we're making lower low, lower high on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame we weren't. But on the live markets, I was looking at the 1 minute more, and I believe most of us do. So yeah. So what I learned today was the 5 minute, we respected it, right? We never closed below it. Yeah, like a little bit here, but if we go on the 5 minute, we're basing it off on a 5 minute gap. Obviously, we respected it. So we see displacement higher, and we inverse this gap. This should have been my trade where we could have entered here or even here just to see a break of structure, but ideally it would have been around here. Stops would have been at this wick, and then targeting this as my break even, and then possibly here for my take profit, which ended up banging. So you might be wondering, Kim, you only lost 500. Well, I took another trade, broke my rule, which was a stupid trade, by the way. This is what I was thinking. So we still have these 1 hour / 4 hour highs, right? I can just draw this out for you guys. So I was like, okay, if we really truly are bullish, I feel like we're gonna go to these targets. It's the next draw on liquidity. But keep in mind, guys, we already took London and this high and this hourly / 4 hour high. Why? Like, we could still move up, but the probabilities is probably lower, right? So I believe it was here, this displacement candle, that I took a long on. Oops, that I took a long. It was like a 500 risk. I believe it's here, this low I took. For this is continuation. I also like to trade continuations, I believe. I don't know if I was targeting this or that high, but we can just play it. I think we get edged and then get stopped. Just chopping. Yeah. So we would have got edged and got stopped. Again, I could have been break even, but it's so choppy. I'd rather take the loss. I was willing to take the loss, which was on me. I was willing to take the loss since we knew we were chopping. Like, this high, we took this high already. That could have been my break even. Boom, up to here, but no. I thought, hey, let's let the trade play out. This was still a liquidity pool, and we just took the L, and I lost the account. But what's important is that, yes, we lost another account. It sucks. I get it. We also had the SMT, by the way, but I don't know if I said that. Yeah, so yeah, we lost the account, and yes, it sucks, but hey, you know what? We're learning from this. This is huge, guys. Moving forward, you know, if we see conditions, we're gonna wait for those. We're gonna see how it reacts. Probably a lot of people took this long, but didn't expect the long, to be honest, because we did have the SMT. But whatever, this is my experience, this is my journey. I just want to share it to you guys. Win or loss, I want to be transparent. Thank you guys for keeping the views up, even though not like crazy high views, but I'm just still grateful that a few of you guys watch me even after the Christmas break, that I haven't been posting for almost half a month, I would say. But yeah, I really hope you guys took a win. I unfortunately did not, and maybe I'll buy another account tomorrow. And man, I don't know if I should, but I just wanted to show you guys something. It's really cool, you know, personal life stuff. But I got myself I got myself a snowboard today. It's pretty cool. It is used. It's a K2 Fuse board, which is pretty cool. My friends and I want to go snowboarding this winter. If you guys didn't know, I live in Alberta, Canada, so lots of mountains here. But yeah, anyways, enough of the yapping. Hope you guys had a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces!